Hi guys, this is what we're working with. Today I'm going to be reviewing and trying out Donna's Recipe by Tabitha Brown. Now I have heard so many different things about these products, all of them being good. I haven't heard anything bad or negative, so I'm really excited to try it for myself. A few of you have reached out to me and told me, you need to try Tabitha's products, girl. What you doing? What you got going on? So today is the day. Okay, we're going to give it a try. We're going to test it out. We're going to see what the hype is about. Alright, so first I'm gonna smell the sweet potato pie extra creamy leave-in conditioner. Made with real sweet potatoes, stirred with vanilla and sprinkled with warm cinnamon. You guys, even the directions, it says hello there, and I read it in Tabitha's voice, okay? And then on how to use, it says apply to wet or dry hair, no need to rinse. Very good, enjoy, and go on about your business. Auntie Tab, this is like perfect. So well thought out, so just well done. The packaging, the smell, you can smell the vanilla, you can smell the cinnamon, you can smell the sweet potato pie. I'm walking away from this twist out smelling like grandma's kitchen, okay? It just feels like this smell just feels very familiar. It feels like that older, okay, it feels like that older wise auntie who don't play no games, but she gonna give you some sugar, okay? But off rip, from the packaging to the smell to Tabitha's famous taglines that we all know her by, everything is so well done. The final test is how it does on my hair, so let's get to it. Immediately off of applying the leave-in conditioner to my hair is so soft and moisturized, and this is just with the leave-in conditioner alone. I'm excited for this twist out. So I'm going to apply my leave-in first, then I'm going to go in with the sweet potato pie extra creamy hair cream. Do y'all see how my hair is absorbing this product? Like sometimes when I do a twist out, the product just kind of sits on top of my hair and I have to kind of like squeeze it out or squeeze it down. But my hair is absorbing every bit of this extra creamy leave-in conditioner and the extra creamy hair cream. The word for these products is hydration, hydration, hydration. My hair feels like it's wrapped in love and hydration. And honestly, when you think about a product giving you hydration for your hair, this is what I mean, okay? Where the hydration is just undeniable. The leave-in and the hair cream both have really good slip. I'm able to easily detangle my hair and smooth out my curls. These products smell so edible. Like you can't tell me there's not a sweet potato pie baking in my kitchen right now, okay? All this work, these products making me kind of hungry, to be honest. Like, I wish y'all could smell what I'm smelling right now. I'm actually kind of in disbelief. Smells so good. I did this side first and it already feels like it's dry. So although this is an extra creamy cream, it's not a super heavy cream. It's still light enough, but hydrating enough. It's like the perfect mixture of hydration, but lightweightness. Like you don't have to worry about your hair being weighed down, but you also don't have to worry about losing hydration too quickly because my hair feels extremely moisturized. It feels like the moisture is going to last for a few days, and I cannot wait to take out this twist out. It's giving LOC method. Even though I didn't use any oil, the cream is definitely locking in and sealing in moisture. It sort of has like this protective barrier that's not going to let any moisture escape from my hair. We are going to see what the twist out results are looking like, but so far I feel like I'm going to be really impressed with Donna's Recipe. I let my twist bake for 2 days. Let's go ahead and take them out and look at these twist out results. Alright, so as you can see, my twist out is very defined. It feels so hydrated. The curls are really easy to separate. Like that literally was effortless the way I separated that. So far, I'm really loving Donna's Recipe. I mean, my hair is super defined. I got the results I wanted. My hair is really easy to separate. There's limited frizz when I am separating the curls. I mean, the bounce is just unreal. My hair is hydrated. What more could a girl ask for? And let's not forget to mention that my hair smells amazing. I've had these products in for 2 days, and when I tell y'all I'm addicted to the smell, I am addicted to this sweet potato pie scent. Like, I keep smelling my hair and like putting my hair up to my nose just so I can get like a whiff or get like a hit. Okay, all my twists are out. I've separated a bit, but not too much. A part of me just loves the way that a twist out naturally falls, and I don't want to disrupt the curl by trying to separate it. Also, I need a trim, so any of the frizziness that y'all might be seeing on the ends, that's not due to the product. That's because I need to maintain my hair. I need to go for a trim. I have my appointment booked for next Friday. Okay, don't come for me. But yeah, any frizziness you see is because I need a trim. Besides that, I think this twist out turned out flawless. My hair is so incredibly curly. It's so curly that like some of the curls, even though it's separated, it looks like finger coils. That's how tightly curled my hair is curling, okay? So I love these twist out results. My hair smells incredible thanks to Donna's recipe. You guys, go and get these products. I back these products 100%. You will not be disappointed. My hair has a nice hold to it. This twist out is going to last me for days, okay? I don't have to worry about my hair for days. Let me tell you now. The way that these curls, the way that this twist out is so like firm and strong and locked in, like these curls, baby, this twist out is bomb. And ooh, smells so good. Donna's recipe was very well crafted. I am super impressed, way more impressed than I thought I would be, and I can't wait to try out more styles using Donna's recipe. Shout out to Tabitha Brown, Auntie Tab. Thank you for blessing us with these hair products. I am a fan, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.